Hi, this is Venkatnarayana from Sonia Technologies. Today I am going to discuss Armstrong number for 3-digit number NC. This is continuation to previous video, part 35, swap numbers using pointers in C. Please go through previous video before going to this video. What is Armstrong number? For example, here we have 153. This number contains 3 digits 1, 5, 3. The sum of cubes of these digits are equal to 153. Then 153 is Armstrong number. Here 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube is equal to 153. 153 is Armstrong number. Here we have another number 1634. It contains 4 digits like 1, 6, 3, 4. We need to do sum of quadruple of each digits like 1 power 4 plus 6 power 4 plus 3 power 4 plus 4 power 4 equal to 1634. If you want to get individual digits from this number, then we need to use modulus and division operator. Here we have 153. We will divide 153 by 10. Here quotient is 15 and remainder is 3. In second iteration, take 15 and divide by 10. Here 15 divided by 10, quotient is 1 and remainder is 5. In third iteration, 1 divided by 10, here quotient is 0, remainder is 1. Here we have individual digits like 3, 5, 1. Now we need to cube these individual digits, then we will get Armstrong number. We will discuss this logic over VS Code, launch VS Code and create C application. First step is read input from command prompt, printf, please provide input number. Declare a variable to store input value, int input, scanf, %d, comma, address of input. Declare a variables int result equal to 0, int temp equal to input. Then we are storing input value into temporary variable. We will use this temporary variable in the logic while temp not equal to 0, int remainder equal to temp modulus 10, result plus equal to remainder into remainder later temp equal to temp divided by 10. Here we are using modulus operator and here division operator to get individual digits. If input equal to result, printf %d is Armstrong number, comma input, else printf %d is not Armstrong number, comma input. Execute this code, go to run, click on start debugging. Here 153, enter. 153 is Armstrong number. Control F5. 371. 371 is Armstrong number. Control F5. 121. 121 is not Armstrong number. This logic will work for only 3 digits numbers. We'll debug this program to understand flow of execution. Put breakpoint here. Go to run. Click on start debugging. F11. Here input 153. Enter. The result is equal to 0. Later input is equal to 153. 153 is storing into temporary variable. The temp is equal to 153. 153 not equal to 0. True. Cursor goes to inside while loop. Here 153 modulus 10. We'll get 3 as remainder and 15 as quotient. F11. Remainder is equal to 3. Later result is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. We'll get 3 into 3 9. 9 into 3 27. Result is equal to 27. Later 153 divided by 10 will get 15 as quotient. 15 not equal to 0. True. Here 15 modulus 10 will get remainder as 5. Here remainder is called 5. 5 into 5 into 5. 125. 125 add to result. Here result is 27. 27 plus 125. Result is equal to 152. Later 15 divided by 10. Temp is equal to 1. 1 not equal to 0. True. 1 modulus 10 will get remainder is 1. Here 1 into 1 will get 1. 152 plus 1, 153. Here result is equal to 153. 1 divided by 10 will get 0. 0 not equal to 0, false. It will exit from while loop. Here input is equal to 153. Result is equal to 153. Input equal to result, true. Then 153 is Armstrong number. Here 153 is Armstrong number. If you want to find Armstrong number for 4 digits, here remainder into remainder into remainder into remainder 4 times. Control F5. 1634. Enter. 1634 is Armstrong number. Here we are outputting the logic, but we need to write generic logic. We'll discuss generic logic in the next video. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.